Happy Saturday, dear trader of all traders on the SPX index. What a remarkable rally right there at the 150-day. That was our buy signal. We are issuing a sell signal right here today, right now. I'm going to draw a trend line. The rally back up to where the fiasco started is right there. We're about to pop up, and like I said in previous updates, I said that we could go higher before we go lower, and we're still in that higher camp before we go lower. So I want everybody to have the right understanding. I'm telling you that the SPX 500 index, which is well diversified, is at a major top level. Price exhaustion, it's going to be harder to drive it. Be aware, keep stop losses on your trades. Don't panic. If they start to sell, get out. When in doubt, get out.